Adam had some candy to give to his 4 children. He first took one piece for himself and then evenly divided the rest among his children. Each child received 4 pieces. How many pieces did he start with? So our x is going to equal how many pieces he started with. Again, I grade you on the equation, the algebraic equation, not the answers.
Oh, for real?
For real. Okay, all right. So Adam had some candy to give to his 4 children. Each child received 4 pieces, so that's my total, 4 pieces. He divided it among his 4 children. He started with X pieces, right? But he first took 1 piece for himself. So we have to subtract that 1 piece for himself. There's my algebraic equation. That's what you're going to get graded on. Okay, we're going to go ahead and solve this. Now that we know how to do 2-step equations, I'm going to multiply by the denominator. And I get x minus 1 equals 16. And then add 1 to both sides.
Always multiply by the denominator?
If it's locked into the numerator, yes. If this minus 1 was out here, minus 1, then we would have to add 1 first.
Oh,
If it's in the numerator, we have to multiply by the denominator. Yep, x equals 17. You want to go to ISS? Okay. Well, what did you just say? Turn the music off. Take the earphone out of your ears. Put it on the desk. You're tripping by saying that stuff in my classroom. Wow. All right, number 3. Michaela won 109 super bouncy balls playing horseshoes at the county fair. At school, she gave 4 to every student in her math class. She only has 9 remaining. How many students are in the class? That's your x. Yeah, you could do this very easy, but again, I'm grading you on the algebraic equation. Okay. Number of students in her class. Okay, so she won 109 playing horseshoe. Okay, at school she gave 4 to every student in her math class. So the number of students in her class multiplied by 4 because she gave 4 of them to every student. 4 per student. And she only has 9 remaining. 109. So she starts with 109. She subtracts everything that she gave to the students, and she has 9 left over. Again, this is what you get graded on. Then go ahead and solve it. Subtract 109 from both sides. Get negative 4x, negative 100. Yep. Divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. And I get x equals negative 100 divided by negative 4, 25. Okay, 5 is the same thing, so I think I'll skip that. 7 is the same as 1. We can do this number 7. Adam had some candy to get to his 4 children. He first took 9 pieces for himself and then evenly divided the rest among his children. Each child received 3 pieces. How many pieces did he start? So that's my X. Okay. Had some candy to get to us. He first took 9 pieces for himself. So here's the pieces he started with. He first took 9 pieces, then evenly divided the rest among his children. And how many children does he have? 4, right? Each child received 3. So there's my algebraic equation. That's what you get graded on. Go ahead and solve. Well, you should be able to get the answer right because you just did the first page. 4/1, 4. I get x minus 9 equals 12. Good. Add 9 to both sides. So you had 21 pieces to start with. Get a packet. Okay. They're on the table in the back. Let's see if there's any different ones here that you guys need. Yep, number 11. Okay, on Tuesday, Mary bought 8 posters. On Wednesday, half of the posters that she had were destroyed. On Thursday, there were only 23 left. How many did she have on Monday? So X is going to equal number of posters on Monday. Okay, so on Tuesday, Mary bought 8 posters. On Wednesday, so here's the number she had on Monday. Tuesday, she bought 8 more. We're going to add 8 more to the amount she had on Monday. On Wednesday, half of the posters were destroyed. So we're going to divide by 2, right? Burgess, got a question? Huh? I don't know. Okay, there are only 23 left. So there's my equation. That's what I get graded on. Go ahead and solve it. Because that x is locked in the numerator. Yep, multiply it by 2 or 2/1. These cancel the 1. I get my x plus 8. 46. Subtract 8. Good. So x is going to equal 38. Yeah, they're pretty easy. See if there's any different kinds here.
90 divided by 10.
What?
Negative 90 divided by 10.
Yeah, negative 90 divided by 3 is negative 3. All right, let's do 19. Brenda's bike rents bikes for $15 plus $3 per hour. Joe paid $32 to rent a bike. For how many hours did she rent this bike? Okay, so X is going to equal number of hours rented bike. Okay, so $15 plus $3 per hour. And he paid 33 bucks. Go ahead and solve it. Minus 15, minus 15. I get 3x equals 18. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 6. Good. There was another one that I wanted to do. 18.
This is of
Not subtraction, addition. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. What's my first number? X, right? What's the next even number? So if you think about it, I have the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. They're all even numbers, right? X is my first one. How do I get from 2 to 4?
that.
Add 2. So X plus 2 is my next one, right? That's what consecutive means. Just come back inside. All right, so my third consecutive is 6. How do I get from 2 to 6? Add 4. My third one. Now, if I add all of these numbers up, let's see, that would be x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals 84. So that's what you're going to get graded on. And add up the x's, combine like terms, I get 3x. And then the numbers, 2 and 4, 6 equals 84. Subtract 6 from both sides. I get 3x equals 78. Divide both sides by 3. I get x equals 26. So my numbers are what? First number is 26. What's my next number? 26 plus 2, 28, and my third number? Okay. Any question? No, but later on we're going to get into some more word problems like that. Any questions?